Human beings have not left low Earth orbit. And this is evidenced I've shown you many reasons, but this one here is quite compelling. Here is Apollo 13, 200 miles toward the moon. In other words, almost there. 200,000 miles is what I should have said if I didn't. And what do you see? Blue sky in the windows of the Apollo spacecraft, hundreds of thousands of miles away from Earth. They were not near the moon. They were in low Earth orbit. That's all this space program did. They got people up there in weightlessness, acting like they were traveling to the moon. They weren't going anywhere. This is as far as human beings have gotten with their own spacecraft. Now, with our own technology, with our own spacecraft, this is the farthest that we've gone. This is, by the way, the International Space Station. Just a couple hundred miles, 250 miles beyond the surface of the Earth. This is how far the moon is. About 1,000 times further than this distance here. It's an order of magnitude, if not several orders of magnitude, more of a voyage. All right. It's a whole different story, and we've never done that. We're talking 30 Earth diameters distance. That is a formidable venture that we haven't even tried, not even started to try, much less accomplished. This is the press conference held by the 3 Apollo astronauts, Apollo 11 astronauts, once they had returned to Earth from their tremendous journey, right? Look at their demeanor. And when you watch this, the whole press conference, not just photographs, the photographs say a whole lot, but when you watch it on film, it's unbelievable. I mean, it's incredible how downcast they are. They are anything but joyful, anything but joyful. At this stage, Buzz Aldrin is droning on about some technicalities, and look at Neil Armstrong there, and Michael Collins. They're frozen in thought for quite a few moments, and this is more or less the tenor of the whole thing. It's just amazing. And this is what Dennis Semino says. The body language, the facial expressions. These are men that are under duress. These are men that are not happy. These are men that are very, very displeased with the fact that they're on the spot being asked difficult questions. And they're not just being asked difficult questions. They are living a lie, and they know it full well. And not only a lie, but a murderous lie. They saw their companions murdered for this lie, including